back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am so excited because we are going to be unboxing this BTS doll. And I really don't know them too well, so don't judge me. But when I saw this doll, I knew I had to have it because I love dolls. And here's the back of the box. So, enough chit-chatting, let's start opening this thing up.
I didn't throw your stuff away before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told.
And look at that, guys. I am so in love with these clothes. Look how colorful and bright they are. They are just totally out of this world. And another thing is that the hair is real. Now, of course, you're going to have to wash it because it has product in it, so it can keep it in place in the box. And his shirt is actually, whoa, wait, no, never mind. They're all one piece, so, wait, is this? Oh my goodness, this tie is real, wow. You can take it off if you want. Oh, this is so nice. This is the back, and look at these shoes. Wow, these shoes are so nice. They look nothing like anything like Kin shoes. It looks like they're bigger. I think they're actually bigger than Kin shoes. Oh, these are so cute. So, he has a basic movement at the head, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hip, and knee, and ankles. So, sizing up to your average Barbie, he's a bit taller. But I think it's the shoes that make him taller. And look at his face. There is so much detail in this face. So guys, I have to show you this. Look at this foot. This looks so realistic, much realer than Kin's. Look at those big feet. Oh, that is so cool. So I don't think he'll better fit Kin shoes, but yeah, there's no way he's gonna better fit Kin shoes. So this is how Kin's foot looks. You can see he has much more detail in his foot. And you can see his foot is much smaller too. So of course, I had to try the shoes on Kin, and this is how it looks. So I'm really loving how it fits Kin. I think it fits much better on him. And I cannot wait to pair this up with some different outfits. So let's take a closer look at his clothes. So you can see there's a big hole in the back. So I'm probably going to be remaking this shirt so it can be separate pieces. Let me know if you would like to see a video on how I fix the shirt. So honestly, I really love this jacket. That's why I want to try it with different shirts. So I'm really determined to remove this shirt off the jacket. And you can see how the collar is made. The collar looks so real, it's so cool. And this fabric on the shirt feels different. It just feels more sturdy than your Barbie's clothes. So there is a piece of plastic holding the jacket in place. Let me take that off. And let me remove this elastic from the waist. It just holds the shirt down so it won't fly everywhere. So let me take that off real quick. Okay. So let me show you how small he is. You can see, look how small he is. He's much smaller. I don't know if he'll better fit any Kin's clothes. I think he'll be way too tiny for it. I'll be back. Let me try different clothes on right quick. Okay, like I said, he obviously could not fit Kin's clothes, so these are some clothes I made so you can really see the body. Look at the arms. They're so small. And you can see, hold up, look at that. He is so much smaller than Kin. Very tiny. He's more like the Babysitting Skipper's Ink Boy doll. And look at his legs. Oh my goodness, that is super tiny. And I'm gonna have to make some custom clothes for these dolls. My goodness, I really didn't even think they were that small. Oh my. And look at these feet. Compared with the legs, oh yeah. You'll see when you get this doll. So here's him side by side with Kin, and let me show you the feet. Yep, big difference there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you're a BTS fan. Bye!